Hello guys, in this video we're going to cover union, intersection, and union of sets. Okay, so one thing to know is that anytime we say intersection, what we're saying is what the sets, what they have in common. Okay, that's what we mean by intersection, this symbol right here, and union is this symbol here, like the U. So now what it means is, union, you put things together, everything together without repeating um, something. If you have one term or one symbol, you do not repeat that. Okay, one letter, one number, whatever it is, you do not repeat it. But you have to put everything together. For intersection, again, for intersection, you just put what they have in common. So let's go and solve these together. So let's say for number one, for example, the first set is right here on the left. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. The second set, 2, 4, 5. Now you just need to pick what's in common because this right here is the intersection. Okay, so all we need to get is what they have in common. So I'll put answer here. Okay, I'll put what they have in common. What do they have in common here? Is one part of the second set? No, so I cannot choose it. How about 2? 2 is part of the second set, so I pick 2. Then how about 3? 3 is not part of the second set. It's in the first set, but not here. 4 is in both sets, so 2 and 4. Okay, 5 is not in both sets, so 2 and 4. So I'm saying that the intersection of these two sets is another set, which is 2, 4. Okay, let's try number 2. Now number 2, same thing. Put the answer here. And I'm going to look at the two sets. First set 1, 3, 7. Second set 2, 3, 8. Now, what do they have in common again? When you check this, you see that 1 is not here in the second set. 3 is. And 7 is not in both sets. 8 is not in both sets. So the intersection will just be 3. Okay? The intersection is 3. Now, how about 3? 3 right here. Now we check this. Again, you're still trying to get the intersection. The symbol here tells you it's intersection. Now, check it out. SET for the first set, TES for the second set. What's the intersection? Well, although the written here, these were like SET and this is like backward, but you still have S in both sets because that's what you're doing. E and T. So everything appears in both sets. So the intersection will be everything. S, E, T. Doesn't matter how you write it because you're just trying to see what you see in both sets. So I picked S because S is also part of the second set. I picked E because it's part of the second set. T, part of the second set. Okay, so that's why I picked E. Okay, now how about 4? So for 4, we check 0, 1, 3, 5. The second set, -5, -3, -1. 0 is not in the second set, 1 is not, 3 is not, 5 is not. So in this case, what's the intersection? What do they have in common? Well, that's what we call the empty set because they have nothing in common here. Okay, so this is what we call the empty set. Now, you can either write it this way or you write it this way right here, 5, which is again empty set. Okay, so this is how you do intersection of sets. Now, how about union? Because you have the symbol here for union, right? Well, for union, all you have to do, guys, is writing everything you have, right? So, for example, here, let me use more space here. For example, here you have since I know it's union, I just need to put everything, just that I will not repeat things. So I'll take the first set, I'll put 1, 2, okay. So 1, 2, 3, put 4. Then I'm gonna put the second set. 2, I don't have to repeat 2 because 2 is already here. How about 4? 4 is already here. How about 5? I can put 5 here. So you just put everything without repeating things. Okay? That's what you call the union. So you put things together. How about this number 6 right here? All right, number 6. So again, what I'm doing is I'm putting everything together because it's a union, right? So I'll go A, E, I, O, U, okay? And this is just the empty set. The empty set is part of any set. So that's why I don't have to repeat to put empty here, because empty means there's nothing, and nothing is everywhere. Okay, that's what we mean in this case here. Okay, so what we have here, again, what I just covered, union and intersection. Now, intersection of sets means you just need to find what they have in common. And union of sets mean you just put things together without repeating what you have. Okay? So again, intersection and union. So this is what we have here. You use this most of the time when solving equations, and you have to unify solutions or get intersections of solutions. So this is how you think. This is your thought process. Okay? So this is what you do to find intersection and union of sets. Thank you.